Hello at welcome sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And andito pa rin tayo with Sarangani Bay, Pandesal and Tinapay Series. And our favorite product is our feature for today, the Prime Bangus Smoked Tinapa. Yay! So, ang daming uses ng tinapa. I think sa kusina ni Mrs. O, we featured so many recipes with tinapa. Ginawa na natin siyang pasta, ginawa na nating spread, ginawa na nating spring roll. But for today, we're doing something different. It's gonna be in an omelette or parang frittata, you may call it in other cuisines. So there's two. One is parang frittata or torta, lalagyan natin sa pandesal. At yung pangalawa, gagamit po tayo ng tinapay at gagawin nating mini pizzas. Yeah! Ito po siya, no? So, yung ating tinapa from Sarangani Bay at naka-flake na siya. So, kanina, sinabi lang sa akin, may matitirang ganito. May matitirang skin at ulo. I-fry natin siya at kainin parang chicharon. O, di ba? Mas healthy pa yon. Meron ka ng ganito, meron ka pang snack, di ba? O, pwedeng non-alcoholic beer. Or pwedeng alcoholic din, no? Depende kung sinong magte-take. But for today, ang gagawin natin is recipes para sa ating mga chikiting or teenagers or perfect for summer. And of course, I'm using malabon patis from Chef Isi sa Eats Matter. Chef Isi, okay, thank you for this patis. So, I'm very excited. But, ngayon, ang uumpisa natin, the first recipe is yung tortang tinapa or frittata. So, it calls for just the tinapa, eggs, sugar, patis, tubig, and I'm just gonna be adding a little bit of onions para may flavor. So, normally, when we make omelette or torta, ito yung piniflip. I just wanted to share a trick para yung foolproof kasi mahirap minsan mag-flip. That's why meron tayong oven toaster. Okay? Are you ready? Let's do this. For this, I will just be adding 1 teaspoon of patis. And then water is 2 tablespoons. Okay. 2 tablespoons. So the eggs that I got is size small. It calls for a medium. Since we got small, I will have to add. I'm gonna need to make it 5 eggs, no? 4 at 5. There you go. So you may or you may not add green onions if you want, but for me, I sort of wanna add para lang just to add a bit of color. No? I'm gonna add a little bit of green onions para may color. And let's not fear kasi nga, di ba, it's smoked eh. So it means it's already cooked. Just gonna add a little. Magalit sa akin si Chef Gigi, pero magalit ako ng little onions. So there you go. Napakabusog niya nito. Yung saltiness, there's no need to add salt. Normally, di ba, you add some salt when you make omelette. But you have to remember, we added patis, which is the saltiness. I'm also gonna add pala a teaspoon of sugar. Yan. There. Okay. First is, i-preheat nyo na yung oven. An oven toaster. And then second, dapat, siguraduhin nyo, kasya to dito. So, get the pan na kasya and heat-resistant yung handle. I'm just gonna get oil kung sa tayo nag-fry kanina dahil sayang. Yan. Tapos pagkatapos ng frittata na to, you can do it both ways. Pwede mo siyang i-slice and then serve with warm pandesal or para make your own, or you can actually slice it already. So pretty much like the scrambled eggs, we would like to start. Yan. You don't want to start na sobrang mainit, masusunog, or else hindi na natin siya mahahabol or hindi na natin mamanipulate yung shape. That's why we're starting with medyo mababa yung heat para ma-adjust natin. So ito, what I'm doing is, inaano mo lang yung sides, kiniklear yung sides. Yeah. So, yan. Clear the sides. I'm just gonna leave it here para foolproof, and then biglang poof, hakat siya, and then that's our frittata. So we just have to wait a bit. Anyway, so while we are waiting, we will fry the other one for the pizza. So ito naman, para sa pizza, I will have to create ng texture. Siyempre, yung taba gusto natin medyo nagsisisi. Okay. Pang mini pizza lang naman, konti lang. Basically, what I'm doing now is, kasi sayang naman, no, may tira pa tayong tinapa. What we are doing is creating mini pizzas. And, dali lang ah. Naririnig ko nagsisizzle na eh. Ayan. Okay. And then ito, para na tayong nasa restaurant. The big chunks of our bangus. So it's very... So, parang basically, I'm just presenting it para make your own. Tapos, yung mga chikiting natin can just slice through the frittata or the tortang tinapa. And they could just make their own. Just a little bit of there. Tapos, if you want, you can put mayonnaise pa on the side kasi some kids, di ba, mahilig sa mayonnaise. But, definitely, red is very attractive to them and pilitin natin maggulay. And just make your own with pandesal. Gagawa na tayo ng trio mini pizza. O, di ba? Ang dali. We will just have to toast it lang lightly before putting it in the oven. I'm gonna use the oil where I fried the tinapa para lasang-lasa siya. Sayang. We will just need to use the oil. Sayang. I'll toast it lang kasi ma-absorb siya ng sauce sobra. So, yung sliced bread, renoling pin lang natin. Yung tinapa, we just sauteed it a little bit. And then, we will make it into pizza. It's our last recipe. So, there. Let's go. We will assemble our pizza. No, actually, there was a time nung isang Christmas na gumagawa ako ng maraming smoked tinapa dip. We were using Sarangani Bay tinapa a lot at that time. Yeah. So, of course, the more cheese, the better, right? Okay, so now we're just gonna melt the cheese. Okay. Bilis lang yan. And there you have it, our last recipe of smoked tinapa or smoked bangus from Sarangani Bay. One we made into tortang tinapa or frittata, served with make your own, pandesal, and then you can mix it with tomatoes and cucumber. And the other one we made pizzalettes. So mini pizzas using sliced bread, parang perfect for merienda, whether for kids or for adults, they will truly enjoy, even for a small party. It's so easy. It's another way of using tinapa. Alam ko, we did it so many times with fried rice, with pasta, with rolls. But here is just another way of using our tinapa, which is very flavorful, very meaty ng ating Sarangani Bay smoked tinapa. So therefore, this ends our show. So thank you so much mga nanonood ng Kusina ni Mrs. O. And I hope you try these recipes kasi napakadali para ka nakasave ng 20 minutes. So pwede ka pang mag-extra things or extra time sa Netflix because nakasave ka ng time. Truly, madaming shortcuts na gawa because of these convenient products. So again, thank you for watching and looking forward sa mga comments ng taste testers and see you soon here at Kusina ni Mrs. O. And for this episode, Kusina ni Mrs. O with Sarangani Bay, Pandesal and Tinapay Series. Thank you so much!
Sarap.
It's good. This one's good. It's soft. Sarap siya. Madaming laman. Masarap. Masarap.